I've had many different hobbies. One of my favorite pastimes is driving. I will admit that when I was young, I wasn't always that safe. And it did take me a bit of time to get the hang of it. But I have improved a lot and now love cruising all around my place on all types of vehicles. In the mornings, me and my friend Blue love to take a spin in my golf cart, checking all the animals are safe and sound. My latest favorite is this cool white sports car. It's compact and girly. And I absolutely love it. But when I need something with a bit more muscle, I use my 4x4 truck. It's great for off-roading and pretty speedy too. I am a dedicated athlete. I lead a very active lifestyle, and I love playing lots of different sports. I've always loved climbing, and I've been into skateboarding for years. And I still love it now. I'm an excellent swimmer, a scratch golfer, and a real gym junkie, pumping iron regularly. It's really important for me to stay in shape. I'm a big boxing fan and love getting in the ring and strutting my stuff. My mantra has always been no pain, no gain. And boxing really helps me stay fighting fit. Football is one of my favorite sports. I love playing five-a-side with my friends. Prince is very good on the ball, while Freddie is both a strong tackler and excellent at keep-me-uppies. I normally play goalie, and it's not easy to score against me. We're improving all the time and have a dream of winning the Champions League one day. But for me, it's not all about action sports. I do love a mix of more cultured pastimes. I enjoy reading and research. I'm currently studying biology and zoology. I've decided my thesis will focus on primates, a topic that's always fascinated me. Prince and I do like to face off at Scrabble. He's more of a beginner, but I have definitely got the hang of it now. When I really need to get away from it all, I head out to the rocks near my house and go fishing. I find it very relaxing. And sometimes I even get lucky